Today we're looking at one of the most anticipated HTC releases of the year. It's the HTC P4550, or most of you will probably know it as the HTC Kaiser. Opening the box, we've got a headset. We've also got a USB sync cable. We've got an AC adapter. And we've got the HTC Kaiser itself. The great thing about this device is that it's also got a slide-out keyboard, but the screen also flips up, so it's quite good for using on a desktop or even just in the hand if you want to alter the angle of the screen. The HTC P4550 is the upgrade to the HTC TyTN or P4350. The dimensions are 110mm in length by 58mm in width by 18mm in depth. The processor is a 400MHz processor and the operating system is Windows Mobile 6 Professional. Memory included is 128MB of RAM and 256MB of ROM, and the screen is a 2.8-inch QVGA touchscreen. It's a quad-band GSM GPRS device, and it also operates UMTS and HSDPA for wireless data connectivity. The device is Wi-Fi enabled, and it also includes Bluetooth 2.0. As you can see on the home screen, it's got kind of a touch flow interface on the front, and if you click on the start button, you've got access to the Today screen. So you'll see that there's Office Mobile, which gives you Excel Mobile, PowerPoint Mobile and Word Mobile. We've also got a calendar function, a contacts function, Internet Explorer. You've got a messaging application which you can use for email, SMS and MMS. And then you've also got the phone application, which has got a soft dial pad. And you've also got a programs group where you've got some standard applications, like you've got your games, you've got an Adobe Acrobat Reader, calculator, access to the camera, comms manager and file explorer. And then last but not least, you've also got the settings where you can set the way you want your menus to look. You've also got access to your audio. Again, you can access some of the phone functions, and you can format the Today screen as well. Then you can also look at memory allocation, you can remove programs, and you can really recalibrate your screen. The interface at the top of the home screen gives you access to, first of all, gives you the date and time, and it also gives you an indication of whether you've got new email, new MMS or SMS messages, and whether you've also got any phone call messages. There's also a contact interface as well, where you can show pictures of various contacts in your database. You've also got a function which shows you the weather in a location of your choosing. And you've also got a launch application here, which is kind of an extension of the programs option that I showed you earlier. And then you've also got access to turning on or off the sound for the phone ringer. You can turn it off, or you can set it to vibrate, or you can set different tones. On opening the keyboard, the screen changes to landscape mode, and you can see that you can move the screen up or down in different angles. So for instance, you could even place it on a flat surface, and instead of having the screen at a flat angle, you can raise it up. Then just want to show you the keyboard features on the device. So if we want to edit a simple Word program, go into Office Mobile, go into Word, then just start typing. So just looking around the device, on the back you'll see a 3 megapixel camera, and as the P4550 has integrated GPS, it's also got an external GPS port for an external antenna. And looking around on the side of the device, you've got a power button and a camera button. At the bottom you've got a micro SD card slot. You've got a mini USB connector which is used for syncing and for power. There's also a reset button at the bottom. You've also got a scroll wheel with an OK button, and also a button for accessing voice communication. On opening up the device, you'll also see on the back is where your SIM card slot is, and apart from the 3 megapixel camera on the back, you've also got a VGA camera at the front which you can use for video telephony. Access to the battery is done by pushing the back up, and basically you've got a rechargeable and removable battery in the back. To sum up, the P4550 is a great replacement for the TyTN or the P4350, and it's now available from eXpansys.com.